Salam everyone, it's Maza. I'm back again. So, last video was the first video of this challenge. I mean, not a challenge, but like a series of posting one video per week. And yeah, most people liked it. I had comments of people like many discussions, people saying their opinion and stuff, and I liked it, to be honest. That's the goal of these videos, is to share what I learned, share the process, share everything. And yeah, right now it's 9 a.m. I'm in Paris, going to Station F. It's like a hub for startups, and there is like a coffee shop there called the Felicita. So yeah, I'm going to work there this morning. And yeah, the subject, or the what I want to talk about in this video is pretty clear. It's success takes time, and this line might be easy to say and easy to understand, but it's hard to live. Success, to understand this sentence, you have to first understand what we mean by success. So success can be something like money-wise, business-wise, can be studies-wise, can be emotionally wise also, to have a good relationship with the people you love, a good relationship with your co-workers, so yeah, all of these are successes. It's their importance to you that changes. So for example, one person can have his goal is to be rich, for example, but he wouldn't mind if the life he's living is not healthy. He doesn't work out, he doesn't have a good social life, but still his success for him is to be rich and to have businesses and stuff. So yeah, first thing is you have to define what's success for you. That's the first thing. Second, and then when you define what's the thing you wanna succeed in, for example, work or money or in the gym, to have a good body, then you have to know, and you have to, even if you know, you have to, with time, with experience, you will learn that to achieve this goal, it's not gonna happen in one day or 1 month or 6 months. It's a long process, and sadly, with today's social media influence, even I'm not even talking about me. I'm living this too. Sometimes I feel when I log into Instagram and I see someone at 20, 23, 24, having a Bugatti, living in Dubai, having money, having a child, having people, I start comparing myself to them, and it's very wrong, and it's I compare it to a cancer, to be honest, because it stays with you and it keeps eating you with time. And yeah, so you have to know, and I'm telling you this, I'm telling it to myself too, that's to actually succeed, have a real success, not a momentary success, something that will last. It will take time. So you have to know that before you start. You have to know it's a marathon. It's not like a 50-meter run. It's like a long marathon. So you have to keep pushing every day. Some days you wake up and you feel like you're doing everything wrong. You feel like the path you're going in, or you're following is never gonna work, and that's sometimes can demotivate you, sometimes can push you to stop, but you have to fight back, because if you don't, you will join the the graveyard of all the people who wanted to succeed but didn't. So yeah, if you want to succeed, like, and I believe honestly that anyone can succeed in whatever they want, it only has to be something good. Like, you don't want to succeed in killing people or being a serial killer. That's we don't do that. So if you have a goal, whatever it is, like, you want to be an astronaut, you want to be I don't know, a teacher, you want to be an entrepreneur, you want to be a gym athlete, you want to be something, whatever your dream of, like, of being, you can do it. And but like, the hardest you pick, the hardest you have to push, and the hardest you have to be willing to fight in the days, in the dark days, like the days where you see nothing, where the path is not you can't see what's coming, you can't see the direction, you're lost, but you're still pushing. I always compare it to, I heard it in a video, I don't remember, but I always compare it to, let's imagine we take you and we put you like in a forest. You don't have a phone, you don't have, we give you nothing, like, it's you and the forest. And like, the question that asks itself is, what are you gonna do? Like, what are you gonna do? Are you gonna it's either you will be trying without seeing the path, like, you don't know where to go, but you will keep trying, or you will just, like, don't do anything and stop there and die. So it's either you keep pushing, even if you don't see where you're headed, but you have a goal, which is to get out of the forest or succeed at what you want. You have to keep pushing, and you will know that it will take time to find the path, the right one, but you still have to keep pushing. That's the key. If you stop, you'll be dead and you will lose. So yeah, that's it. I wanted to talk about something. I talked about many things at the same time. I hope maybe it, like, if you're someone who's living this right now, who is on a path to succeed on something, but is lost and and doesn't know if it's gonna work, and doesn't even know what's going on right now. Like, sometimes it is like this, like, you don't even know in what like where you are, like, on the journey, like, are you doing good, are you not doing good, are you late, are you not late? So yeah, if you're in this stage right now, know that you're not alone. Know that every successful people you will take in this earth was in the same spot as you. And yeah, the key is to keep pushing and to know that it takes time. And if you really, with time, have these two, you keep pushing and you put in mind that real success takes time, I'm sure you will be successful, my friend. That's it. That's all I have to say. It's like, forget the name, but it's like, today is not very, very beautiful. It's a lot of clouds, cloudy day, and yeah, life in Paris. But alhamdulillah always, and yeah, see you next week. Bye. كعون ربي.